Hello Pixie friends and my silver sisters, my name is Carrie-Jessica. Welcome to my channel. If you are brand new, I talk a lot about hair care. Sometimes I open things I've spent too much money on. It's kind of what we're doing today. If that sounds like something you'd be interested in, hit that subscribe button and hang out with me more often. So I'm going to go over some products that I have been trying through November and December to kind of share with you what the hits, the misses, the ehs, what they were. Well, some of these products were gifted to me. It's about half and half of things I purchased with my own money versus things that were sent to me. The first brand is Bioson. So this is a brand that I had a lot of hope for. On paper, I should be in love with Bioson. They actually partner with a lot of amazing charity organizations, and all of the ingredients I absolutely love. The first thing is the squalane lactic acid. I love the ingredients of this. I do not like the smell. I don't like the smell at all. It does fade away. So it's kind of ridiculous that I'm that hung up about the smell because it does not last. It's really just when you first pump it out of the applicator onto your hand. But it was enough to be kind of a turnoff. Do I think you should try it if you're a skincare junkie? Yeah, you should. It's actually great ingredient. So while I will definitely finish the rest of this bottle, I cannot say that I would repurchase. The next is the eye cream. I'm not someone who really thinks eye creams are super necessary, but I will say that the ingredients in this eye cream are pretty amazing. And this one does not carry the same smell over throughout the line. The only one I have used that I don't like the smell of is the lactic acid. This smells like nothing. It has a slightly nude color. A little goes a long way. I used this for 30 straight days, and this is all that is out. So while I don't love the cost of it, I don't really love eye creams. This is a great eye cream if you're going to use one, and it is expensive on that first purchase, but it is going to last you for quite a long time. The next up from the same line is the Omega Repair Cream. This is not made for me. This is an amazing hydrating lotion, and again, I used this for 30 days. This one I did use every single night. I am about a third of the way done with the jar. It's kind of hard to tell with how dark coated this is, but the middle of it is where I really did the most damage. The reason why this isn't for me is it is very hydrating. I will be using this through the winter, but I definitely would not use this for my own skin during spring, summer, or even fall because it is so hydrating. However, I will say that I got a little crazy with my skin and kind of damaged my moisture barrier while I was babying my skin to kind of get it back to a better place. This lotion saved the day. So while this is too heavy for me, for the most part, this will get me through winter, and this will definitely be on hand to help me get through those times when my moisture barrier has been compromised because it is very hydrating. If you deal with super dry skin, if you have eczema, this moisturizer could be a great fit for you. I'm going to leave skincare for a second and pop over to hair care. This is a product that I purchased myself. I purchased it through the salon where I get my hair done, and I'm obsessed with it. This is the Fiber Blast Texture Cream from Colorproof. I will for sure be posting a video of me using this to get my pompadour coiffed style with my pixie. I absolutely love this stuff. I want to show you how cool this is. Oh, can you see that? This product creates such an amazing texture in your hair. You can use this while your hair is damp. You can even use it while your hair is wet. And it just really creates this like amazing lift. Plus, I love playing with it. Like, I'm not gonna lie. And to hop back over to skincare, I have been using products from Laneige, and these are lip masks. I bought these myself. This was gifted to me. So let's go over one at a time. These are the lip masks. This is the standard regular lip mask, and this is one that has like an apple lime scent, which smells amazing. It smells so good. I've been using these for about 2 weeks now. My feelings on it are somewhat mixed. A sleep lip mask in my mind has to be just so hydrating that it lasts all night long. I find I actually reapply this quite a few times between my skincare routine and when I actually go to bed. Testament that this product is not quite cutting it for me. The next product is from the same brand, and this is the Hydro Water Gel Moisturizer, and I love this. I have been using this every night for 30 days. This is the dent that I have put into it. This is really nice packaging that does come in glass bottles. I find that it's very equivalent to the moisturizer that I use from Youth to the People. This is a great moisturizer if you have oily or combination skin, or if you want to rotate it every other day with one that is similar to like the Biosons, where it is a little bit more hydrating. I could definitely see me purchasing this again. Next up is my Lashify kit. Granted, you would not purchase this kit again once you have bought it, then you're just buying the lashes, or if you run out of the applicator gel glue stuff. I have a lot of visual issues, so for me lashes are not something that I usually even try to do at home. I have not even had much success with like the magnetic lashes, strip lashes. I'm just not great at lashes. I think it's a feat when I get mascara on my lashes and not on the rest of my face. So for me to have been able to apply them kind of says a lot. If you have any experience putting on lashes or you don't have any visual issues, you'll probably be really good at this. I'm not really sure if I'm going to be a Lashify customer, just because I do toss and turn a lot in my sleep, and I do have those vision issues, so sometimes it's kind of a pain for me to even deal with putting them on. But I actually do love having long lashes, so it's kind of a toss-up at this point. So my friends, we have had some hits, we've had some misses, and we've had some maybes. So if you haven't yet, give this video a like and drop a comment. Let me know, are any of these products in your routine? Are any of these your faves? Or have any of these you tried and you just don't love? If you haven't already, hit that subscribe button. I normally post videos on Tuesdays and Thursdays when life allows. And if you would like to hang out with me outside of that, you can find me on Instagram, Facebook, TikTok, and Pinterest. All right, guys, I will see you in a couple of days.